looking for a head-turning traditional narrowboat upon which you can refurbish to create your perfect liveaboard or extensive cruiser, then Teiwaz should be on your viewing list. Built by a renowned builder, the rear cabin has inset panels and the hull has feature rivets. The inside was partially fitted with some interesting and unique features several years ago and is now waiting for someone to add the finishing touches. Although not the main point of entry, I am going to start with the tug deck. Beneath is access from the main cabin, offering the opportunity to create a sleeping quarter or further cupboard storage. It would also be a good area for pet crates. The open plan living area features this highly original panelling. Linking this area to the galley is a Morso squirrel stove on a slate hearth. The galley has open units with block worktops, one of which houses a butler's sink. Behind are stainless uplifts, and the focal point is the large LPG cooker. The bathroom comprises two parts, and I expect is where many prospects would consider refitting. At present, we have this compact cloakroom with ceramic vacuum flush toilet, which is linked to a remote cassette and for which there is a spare cassette. Here we also have a small hand basin and the gas geyser servicing the hot water. The showpiece shower is located within the bedroom. Here we also have a 4-poster bed and space to add further cupboard and/or wardrobe storage. It is possible to convert the shower cum cloakroom area into a walk-through bathroom, and we would be happy to discuss options for this with you. The engine room showcases the Lister engine and has lots of space for adding electrics upgrades as well as further storage. The back cabin remains unconverted, so offers the chance to create either a traditional boatman style cabin, additional bedroom or further storage cum laundry area. We could also see this boat appealing to a canal side trader. Back outside, and the red oxide finish was applied in summer 2023 with the aim of offering a solid foundation for further paintwork applications. All in all, Teiwaz is a unique boat that should appeal to someone that likes to own something different.